Hey everybody, Jim Midnight Road Garage. Today I need to get a harmonic balancer off this 5.3 engine I'm putting together for the No Name Nationals. I got this cheap puller from Amazon and it had good comments when I bought it a couple months ago, but I went back to look at the price today, which was about 51 bucks. The comments have changed. A lot of bad comments in the last month, so this should be interesting. I think they probably used enough tape on this, but here's how it came. Let me get this thing out of here. Here it is out of the box. It comes in a Ziploc bag. There are no directions of any sort. That's okay though, because it's pretty self-explanatory. Use our impact and a 24. Get this bolt off. The idea behind this is really simple. You just put it in here and lock it in place, and then tighten this up. I'm going to put some WD-40 on those threads. Just give her a little spritz. Use a wrench. You can see we are locked in place on the back. Now we're just going to tighten this until the pulley comes off. So this appears to be coming off fine. I'm not having any of the issues that are now listed all over the Amazon reviews for this. But buyer beware. Mine's working fine. I don't know. There's not a whole lot to this, so I'm not sure what they could be doing wrong. They talk about the metal spreading like it's not heat treated or something. I'm not having that issue at all. It's coming right off. And just like that, we're done. Nothing's deformed and nothing broke, so worked great for me. If you want to buy one, there's a link to it on Amazon in the description. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys down the road.